how can we find out what the next killer investment is? It's actually right in front of us, and it's used in our houses daily by our kids. The best way to find out what the next killer investment is to observe what our kids or the younger generation is using from a consumer behavior perspective. Now, my kids, their jobs have not been invented yet. And the way that they communicate with their coworkers in the future has not been invented yet either. And investment trends tend to last much longer than we think. Now, at home, many of us have decent-sized televisions that our kids don't use at all. And if they're sitting beside us on the couch as we watch TV, they're looking at these things. And that's actually a good thing. It's a good thing because they're not listening to the negative news on 60 Minutes or CNN or whatever negativity the media is discussing, as media outlets are actually trying to compete with shock value stories to get eyeballs away from YouTube. They're terrified of YouTube. And our kids are all actually getting MBAs in digital marketing by watching their favorite happy-go-lucky YouTubers on Twitch or on YouTube or TikTok, whatever. And our kids are building their empires using Minecraft or Roblox or other platforms. So ask them what apps or platforms they're using. And I promise you, eventually, you will find the next killer investment, as this is Generation Next. Yes, it's great to go outdoors and play when you're younger, but given COVID, this has been tough for them. So ask your kids, what are the apps or platforms that they're using and why? And if you do this enough times, I promise you, you will find the next killer investment.